All right, so standard form, we've actually done this before. Standard form is when it's an x plus a y equals a constant. So we are going to put it in slope-intercept by solving for y. So there's two steps to this. You want to add or subtract to move over your x values, and then you want to divide everything by what's in front of your y's. So for number one, step one is to move your x values over. So I have to move my x values first. This is positive 2x, so I want to subtract 2x. Okay. Do not put your x's with your 3. This has an x, this does not. Step two would be to divide by what's in front of y. This doesn't have anything, so you are done. All your answers should look like this: x and y. So number two, move your x's first. It's positive 4x, so I'm going to subtract 4x. Do not put your x's with your constant. So the negative 4x does not go, oh, it's negative 30. With your 30, negative 30. Then step two is divide everything by what's in front of your y. If it doesn't reduce, leave it. So 4/5 does not reduce, so I'm going to leave it. 30 divided by 5 is 6. All right, same with number 3. Move my x's over. So positive x, so I'm going to subtract x. Cannot put my x with my 12. Then divide everything by what's in front of your y. Okay. -1, this is like a 1. -1 over -3 is the same as 1/3. And then 12 divided by -3 is -4. And then for 4, move my x's over. So this is positive, so I'm going to subtract it. Don't put my x's with my 8. And then this is technically a -1. So I have to divide everything by -1. -1 divided by -1 is +1. -8 divided by -1 is +8. So it's the same two steps every single time. Add or subtract to move your x values over, then divide everything by what's in front of your y. You should end up with something that's in y equals mx plus b.